Welcome back to Quiz Gentry friends. How good is your knowledge of cruise ships innovations? Let's find out. But before then, you may please want to consider having fun with the subscribe button for more maritime quizzes as we get started. Question 1. Which was the first ship to offer a surfing simulator? Wow, I feel this innovation is amazing, but sit back, more to come. Correct, it's Freedom of the Seas and was launched in 2006. What year did the first cruise ship with a racetrack launch? This is fabulous, friends, but still, more to come. 2017. A Norwegian Joy innovation. What year did the first cruise ship with an onboard brewery launch? Still just starting with the innovations, friends. 2014 it was, and this one is Norwegian Getaway innovation. What was the first cruise ship to offer underwater windows? Options are Paul Gauguin, Silver Explorer, and Silver Cloud. What's your guess? Good, it's Paul Gauguin and launched in 1997. An interesting one here, and it says, which ship first offered a robotic bartender? Technology takes over. Isn't that awesome? Anthem of the Seas, launched in 2014. Which was the first ship to offer a Broadway-style show? Oasis of the Seas, Queen Elizabeth, or Carnival Breeze? Oasis of the Seas, launched in 2009. Which cruise ship first had a royal suite? Comfort Onboard for royalties. Sovereign of the Seas, introduced in 1988. What year did the first luxury river cruise ship launch? Keep track of your score, friends. 1992, launched by Uniworld. Which cruise ship was the first to offer an indoor promenade? There's Voyager of the Seas, Adventure of the Seas, and Liberty of the Seas. Voyager of the Seas, launched in 1999. Question 10. Which ship first offered single cabins? Was it Norwegian Epic, Carnival Vista, or Oasis of the Seas? Norwegian Epic, launched in 2010. What year did the first cruise ship with a helipad launch? (1988). It was Sovereign of the Seas innovation. Which cruise ship was the first to have a glass-bottomed walkway? Royal Princess, Carnival Sunshine, or Celebrity Edge? Royal Princess, launched in 2013. Which was the first ship to offer a floating museum? Queen Mary II, launched in 2004. Which ship was the first to introduce freestyle dining? Norwegian Sky, Norwegian Epic, or Norwegian Dawn? Norwegian Sky, launched in 1999. 15. Which cruise line launched the first ocean liner? Sounds easy, but let's see. Yes, it's Cunard Line, debuted in 1840. Which cruise ship first had a retractable roof over the pool? Radiance of the Seas, Celebrity Millennium, or Explorer of the Seas? You are correct if your answer is Radiance of the Seas. This is an interesting one, and it says, which is the first cruise ship to launch an adults-only retreat? Is it Norwegian Sky, Disney Magic, or Queen Mary II? Yes, it's Cunard's Queen Mary II, and the retreat is named the Serenity. Which ship first introduced the concept of cruises to nowhere? Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary, or Lusitania? Queen Elizabeth. Trended during World War II. What year did the first cruise ship with a rooftop bar launch? Please give this video a like. Thank you. 2015 and was launched on MS Anthem of the Seas. Question 20. Which was the first cruise ship to offer outdoor movies? Disney Magic, Carnival Valor, or Regal Princess? Disney Magic. Launched in 1998. What year did the first cruise ship with an ice bar launch? (2010) by Norwegian Epic Innovation. Which ship was the first to offer a virtual balcony? Quantum of the Seas, Anthem of the Seas, or Allure of the Seas? Quantum of the Seas. Which cruise line was the first to offer luxury cruises? Cunard Line, Crystal Cruises, or Seabourn? Cunard Line. Began in 1840. Which was the first ship to offer an open-air cinema? Carnival Liberty, Carnival Dream, or Norwegian Epic? Carnival Liberty. Began in 2005. When did the first mega ship launch? Have you subscribed for more? Please do. Thank you. Which was the first cruise ship to offer balcony cabins? Carnival Fantasy, Carnival Ecstasy, or Carnival Elation? It's Carnival Fantasy and was launched in 1990. Which was the first cruise line to offer an onboard observatory? Was it Cunard Line, Royal Caribbean, or Norwegian? Cunard Line. First offered in 1840. Which cruise ship was the first to offer laser tag? Symphony of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, or Anthem of the Seas? Symphony of the Seas. Launched in 2018. 29. What year did the first cruise ship with a park launch? Do not forget to comment your score, friends. 2009. Oasis of the Seas Innovation. The last question says, which ship was the first to offer suites with private pools? Seven Seas Explorer, Seabourn Ovation, or Crystal Symphony? Seven Seas Explorer. Launched in 2016. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next quiz. Bye-bye.